Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today we are going to start our new lesson of subject science. The topic is the five senses. Okay, it's our lesson number 1. Now open your books. This is your book, New Oxford Primary Science. Okay, now open page number 2. The topic is, the name of the lesson is the five senses. Okay, we have 5 sense organ. हमें how much sense organ do we have? So we have 5 sense organ. Very good. They are the eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Good. Our sense organ help us to live better. They help us to live a better life. Okay. They are constantly busy taking in information. They are continuously taking information from the other organs, from the organs of our body and sending it to our brain. Okay, without our knowing. The sense organs help all living thing to see, देखने में, hear, सुनने में, smell, सूंघने में, taste, चखने में and feel. Okay. Both people and other animals get to know about the world through their senses. हमें दुनिया में जो किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में जो पता चलता है तो किसके से पता चलता है? हमारे सेंसेस के. And that is why our senses are so important. So all the senses, all the 5 senses are playing very important role in our life, and that is why senses are so important. They also help to keep us safe from danger. They also protect us from danger. Let us see how each sense organ work. Now today we read the first and the most important organ of our body, that is eyes. It is also called the organ of sight. This is a picture of eye. Okay. The eyes lie in the socket in the skull. Our eyes is found in the socket in our skull. They are shaped like a ball, and it's shaped like a ball. Our eyes are often thought to be the most important organ of sense. It is the most important organ of the human body. Everything we look at is seen and then an image is sent to our brain. कोई भी चीज़ जो हम देखते हैं फिर उसका then an image is sent to our brain, और उसका जो image है वो कहाँ जाता है? To our brain for recording, and वो record हो जाता है. Much like a video recorder. It's just like a video recorder. This seems very simple. It is a very simple, it looks very simple, but the sense of sight is actually the most complex of the 5 sense. But it is the very complicated procedure of the rather than the other senses. Okay. This is the picture of eye. As you see, the interior of the eye, iris, it is its pupil, the lens of the eye, the cornea, the muscles of the eye, the retina, and optic nerve going to the brain. Okay, so this is the first organ. Now today we read about tongue. Okay, and it is also called the organ of taste. Okay, this is a picture of our tongue. We are able to taste food with the help of the tongue. Okay, which is a fleshy muscle in the mouth. हमारे माउथ के अंदर एक fleshy muscle है. It is called tongue. Or we are able to taste any type of food with the help of our tongue. Very good. If you look at your tongue, जब आप अपनी tongue को देखेंगे in the mirror, you will see that it is not very smooth. So you will recognize that it is not very smooth. Okay, it is covered with the very tiny bumps. Our tongue is covered with the very tiny bumps. It also contains thousands of tiny taste buds, and our tongue has thousands of tiny taste buds which are found in special areas on the tongue. Okay, like here and here. The sour buds, bitter, okay, salty, sweet, and not many taste buds. So they are divided on our tongue. The tongue not ओनली हेल्प अस टू टेस्ट आवर फूड, ये सिर्फ हमें खाना टेस्ट करने में मदद नहीं करती, इट ऑल्सो हेल्प अस टू टॉक, और इसके ज़रिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं, टॉक भी कर सकते हैं, बातें भी कर सकते हैं. ओके, तो दिस इज़ द टंग एंड दीज आर द टेस्ट बर्ड्स spread over our tongue. तो this is a portion of sour taste, bitter taste, and salty and sweet taste, and in the middle not many taste buds. Now today we read about nose, the organ of smell. Okay, the nose is built to smell. Nose हमारी built हुई है ताकि हम किसी भी चीज़ को smell कर सकें, and to moisten and filter the air, और एयर वी ब्रीथ, वो एयर जो हम ब्रीथ करते हैं उसे फिल्टर कर सके, उसे क्लियरिफाई कर सके. एज वी ब्रीथ इन, जैसे ही हम ब्रीथ इन करते हैं, द एयर जो एंटर्स थ्रू आर नॉस्ट्रल्स, वो हवा जो हमारे नॉस्ट्रल्स के सारे एंटर होती है हमारी नोज़ में, विच कंटेन टाइनी लिटिल हेयर्स. It has tiny little hairs called cilia. Okay, it has tiny little hairs called cilia. The cilia filters all kinds of things trying to enter our nose. And the work of cilia is what? It clarify all the things which is harmful for our lungs. It clarify all the things, harmful things which enter in our nose and stop them from going into our lungs, and it stop them from going into our lungs. Okay, so it saves our lungs. How we smell? What make a smell is something that is too small to see with our eyes alone. It is too small even to be seen with the microscope. जैसे आप माइक्रोस्कोप से भी नहीं देख सकते. What you smell are tiny things called odor particles. उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? Odor particles. Millions of them are floating around waiting to be sniffed by our nose. और ये they are floating around our nose to be sniffed by our nose. Okay, this is the picture. Okay, so you see this is the nose. Okay, this is the nostril, and the tiny hairs which are called cilia are present here, which purify the air and protect our lungs. Okay, now today we read about ears. Okay, ears, the organs of hearing. Our ears pick up all the sounds around us. They pick up all the sound around us, then they turn this information into a form our brain can understand. Then they convert this information into that form that our brain can understand easily. Our ears help us to hear, सुनने की में मदद करते हैं, and also to keep our balance. Okay, how we hear, कैसे सुन सकते हैं हम? When an object makes a noise, जब कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट आवाज़ क्रिएट करता है, नॉइज़ क्रिएट करता है, इट सेंड्स वाइब्रेशंस. तो इट सेंड्स वाइब्रेशंस, बेटर नोन एज साउंड वेव्स, जिन्हें हम साउंड वेव्स भी कहते हैं. स्पीडिंग थ्रू द एयर, इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द स्पीड ऑफ एयर. दीज वाइब्रेशंस आर देन कलेक्टेड इनटू द एयर कैनाल. कहाँ कलेक्ट होती हैं? एयर कैनाल, बाय द आउटर एयर, इन द आउटर एयर. They hit the eardrum, then these vibrations hit the eardrum and cause it to vibrate, move up and down as well. The innermost, सबसे अंदर वाला part of the ear sends messages to the brain. It sends messages to our brain about the vibration made by the sound waves. Okay, the brain then makes sense of the messages. Then our brain makes senses of the messages and tell us, और वो हमें बताता है what kind of sound we are hearing, के किस तरह का sound है. Okay, the ear has 3 parts. How many parts do ear has? तो the ear has 3 parts: outer ear, middle ear, inner ear. Okay, this is show, see in this picture. Okay, outer ear, okay, then middle ear, and then this is inner ear. It's clearly shown in the picture. The three parts are clearly shown in this picture. Okay, now today we read about skin. Okay, it's also called the organ of touch. While our other four senses, sight, hearing, smell and taste, ये जो हमारे चारों senses हैं, are located in different parts of the body, our sense of touch is found all over because the whole body is covered with skin. जैसे कि हमारे जो चारों दूसरे सेंसेस हैं, साइट, हियरिंग, स्मेल एंड टेस्ट, ये तो एक एक जगह लोकेटेड होते हैं. आइज़ में, नोज़ में, ईयर्स, इट्स दे आर साइट इज़ फाउंड इन आइज़, ईयर्स, नोज़ एंड टंग. बट आवर सेंस ऑफ टच जो है वो आर all over the body, spread all over the body because the skin we have all over the body, the whole human body, our whole human body is covered with the skin, so our sense of touch is spread all over the body. Okay, how we feel things by touch. Our skin is made of several layers. हमारी skin several layers से बनी है. These layers have thousands of tiny blood vessels और इनमें they have thousands of tiny blood vessels and nerves called receptors. और उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? Receptors. These give us information. ये हमें information देते हैं about the things, about everything which our body comes in contact with. जिससे हमारी body का contact हो, ये इन सब चीज़ों की हमें information देते हैं. तो these layers have thousands of tiny blood vessels and nerves called, और इन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? Receptors. Okay, and receptors are found in our skin, and our skin spread all of our human body.